is Bruno Fleuven. I've written an article about some idea about what is the future of journalism facing EA, and I was wondering how I implement the example of ChatGPT, which is here, directly into Streamlit to facilitate, in a way, how to grab easily for someone who don't know programmation and Python, how we can use and leverage on ChatGPT. So basically, well, the article is about and is inspired by some studies that were made by Charlie Beckett, professor at London School of Economics. So that's pretty interesting. And I've grabbed some ideas. And basically, I'm going to present the code. So the code is right here. By the way, you have the PDF of the report, and you can find all the code right here. Okay, so we're gonna go, and I've made a small. So the first thing that I was to handle is how to use the ChatGPT license. So the ChatGPT license, you can find it there if you sign up. And I will implement some of this example, okay, but later in the video. So right now, my issue was to, how can I, so I go into the console. So I'm here in Base, which is I'm using Anaconda to manage my environment. So I will open this file. So I'm going to use this one. And I'm using the .env to manage the API, sorry. And then no, sorry, I need to, first of all, load. So every time I'm using the command stuff, so I'm activating, so I'm here, you can find, I have plenty, well, I have some of the, you see, I have some, this is my environment for Anaconda. For someone who need to know what is Anaconda and how to manage environment, you can find many video on my YouTube account. And then I load Streamlit. So it's gonna open right here, and you have how to handle. So here you have, this is coming from a secret right here, you see, and so you can handle the API right here, or you can handle it through the env, which is right here, okay? And so this one is a way to where you load the environment and then you get it. So for instance, if I say you're new, and I think I have to restart, and I'm gonna make you're new, and I will say new secret. Okay, so that's, and then I will say here I will put a Z inside, and then I will do a YouTube right here. So that's basically coming from the, so I guess if I reload, yeah, directly, automatically, except that the environment, I guess you have to reload the stuff. So basically this one is coming directly, you see, with the Z, sorry, and then you see the YouTube stuff. But if I retry, okay, so that's the two way to handle the ChatGPT. Yeah, you're new, and this one is coming from the env. Okay, and basically it's coming here. So that's the two way you can handle the license, and we will go further then. That was the first video. That's pretty basic, but every time you see explanation and you don't really understand what it's like, so that was the first one. And we're gonna go through right here Python. So how to handle this example through the ChatGPT API Python, and then a specific one with the most advanced with Streamlit, and I will show also that you can use Node. Okay, so see you in a minute. Bye-bye. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.